So let me give you a freebie actually about God. So there's many different religions around the world, and what if I told you that the center of all of them is a self-actualized version of consciousness, which is in tune with the will of God, right? So even though every religion is particular in some regard, even though like Hinduism, Taoism, Buddhism, Christianity, even though all of them have their own peculiarities and everything, what if I told you that they're really all about the same thing? In the beginning, there was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God. That's the first passage in the book of John, right? Um, what does that mean? It's kind of John telling you like, dude, it's it's all about the Word, man. Far out, dude. So every religion in reality revolves around this. It revolves around the idea of the logos. In the original Greek, for that book in the Bible, the word is logos, and logos means besides meaning just word, literally meaning word. It is actually this idea that so every religion has this consideration that no matter what you try or not try to do, no matter what you think or not think of doing, no matter what you want or not want, like in reality, there's only a will of God. Only a certain course of action will be taken, and that's going to be the will of God. And to speak and write well is to be in tune with the will of God, with the logos, is to have the logos, right? What if I told you that every religion in reality is around that? That whoever is blessed with the Christ consciousness, let's call it, is somebody who thinks and writes well, and thus the one of the finest endeavors that we can take is to try to to be more in tuning with that, with the logos, right, with the word. That's what creates everything. So I worked with another company the past 4 years before 2022. It's a company that which has a lot of aspects which I don't really agree with, but something that they used to parade around a lot is writing is thinking, and they will literally represent it as writing equals thinking. When you're writing something down, you're thinking. You're actually organizing your mental cabinet. So that's a way to approach the logos, to integrate it into your life. All right, so that's a freebie for you. I hope that you found it intriguing somehow.